I'm Mike Dimas, and this is Pinball Shenanigans. Hello, fellow shenaniganders. I have been gone for a few days. The wife and I went on a little mini vacation. So now that I'm back, I'm gonna pop over to the Grasley garage and see what's going on over there. At the rate at which Kevin works, who knows? It could be like 7 new completed projects. But I do know that he got his Dirty Harry powder coating in, so that might be assembled. Well, I'm assuming it would be. Probably a little bit of playfield progress on Whirlwind. And he has completed the Guns N' Roses cabinet restoration. And he started disassembling the World Cup soccer. Wally 16 has come through big time. He has donated his old World Cup playfield, and it's in a little better shape than the one that is in the machine right now. It is a complete and utter disaster. It is gonna need a major overhaul. So instead of spending what, $1,400 plus on the new playfield, Wally has just said, hey, you know, send me a few Shenanigander t-shirts to cover the shipping and we'll call it even. So shout out to Wally. Oh, I gotta give you guys a peek at what he's been working on lately, so I gotta remember to edit that in at some point, because he works just as fast as Kevin. Those two are friggin' animals. Anyway, I've got the circuit boards back for Whirlwind, so I'm gonna bring those over and install them. They look a lot better than they used to, man. I don't know if you saw the before, but these boards were pretty much black. Brent, my board guy, says that they were a complete disaster and that they smelled like a forest fire, but they cleaned up nicely and I will be happy. So I did take a sneak peek at them, and yeah, they're so much better. So I'll have a peek at the boards, maybe install them, and see what's going on over there in the garage. Back at the Grasley garage. What's up, boys? Yo, hey, don't look at that yet. We got to start you off with some World Cup soccer.
World's crappiest soccer?
It is the world's crappiest soccer ever in the existence of soccer.
But here it is.
This is much improved. Progress has been made.
Yes.
No more art. And, oh, look at this. Oh my God. That is the nastiest apron I have ever seen. Whoa. Wow.
You can write your name in that.
Yeah, let's do it. Dut. Whoa. That's nasty. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, so Wally 16 is coming through. Whoopsies. Donating a playfield for the cause. Mark in City has come through. Shout out. He picked up you a nice new set of ramps at Chicago Pinball Expo. And CPR is hooking you up with a nice new set of playfield plastics.
And Corey made an order, so
Ooh.
new soccer ball motor.
Oh, nice.
Flippers, switches, pop
Yeah.
bumper caps, posts.
And you're going to powder coat the living daylights out of this thing, eh?
Yeah, might as well, look at it.
Yeah, it's all coming off, so why not? I think I might need this goalie reproduction character on my wall at some point.
Absolutely.
The fat goalie.
I got new goalie back, new goalie decal,
Right.
all that stuff, so.
Because the original goalie is not quite as wide. This is, this goalie is really on fire because he's extra wide. Oh, there was something in there. But if I touch anything, I get black. Oh, look, it's one of the insert decals. Skill. Or one of them. I can't really read, but there.
There's skill.
It is skill.
I know, because it says kill on the thing.
White water ramps.
Whirlwind.
Whirlwind ramps. Oops, that's a Freudian slip. Have been removed, as well as many other parts I see.
Yeah.
And
Kinda
stuff
worked.
is starting to happen.
Hopefully Whirlwind will be back together this weekend.
Oh, wow. That's ambitious. I love it. Okay. Let's go.
The other machines are kind of together.
Yeah, you've made some progress in the arcade. Dirty Harry is done, basically.
Yep.
Guns N' Roses is done. And I brought some Whirlwind boards to install as well. Might as well take a quick peek at these now. Okay, why don't you open them up and we'll just have a look. Brent got back to me and said these boards were a complete disaster and smelled like forest fire. Yep. And he cleaned them up very nicely. Look at that. I'll have to cut in what these used to look like because this is a million times better. He said he ultrasonically cleaned all boards from fire and smoke damage, replaced all capacitors, game and sound ROMs, crystal oscillators, HW, I'm not sure what that is, clean connector contacts, installed lithium battery upgrade, and tested all boards, 100%. All right, yeah, that one's still a little bit crusty, but that's better than it was. I didn't realize he was gonna ultrasonically clean them. He must have some big ultrasonic cleaner to fit all these. Yeah, there we go, power supply, new caps. Okay, there's that. There we go. Okay.
This one looks nice.
Yeah, that one's all right. It was lower in the head, so it didn't get as much fire. The board's at the top. Oh, I stole these parts out of my Whirlwind. They actually look dirtier than I thought. But the original ones were so bad that I'm gonna order new ones. But you can have these guys.
This is the wiring harness that arrays.
Oh, no way. It has those cables. That is amazing. Sweet. I'm taking my cables back. And then there's the triac board too. Sweet. Oh, that's a bonus. I don't have to order new ribbon cables. All right, for the grand finale, the CPU with NVRAM. That is a Wally 16 donation. Thank you, Wally. All right, yeah, there we go. Boards are in. Taking my cables back that I borrowed from my Whirlwind. Okay, let's have a look at this Dirty Harry. Boom. What do you think? I like it. Looks beautiful. You did the full treatment to this guy as usual.
This one, AKA Dirty Sanchez.
Dirty Sanchez. Yeah, actually, yeah, this cabinet was pretty bad, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's weird how the art of the head is very different from the art on the cabinet. But with this, what do you call this color?
Violet. Or
Violet. With this color, because it ties into the playfield art, the back box panel or back panel, and translate. So, you know, if you look at it from behind, kind of looks funny with purple legs, but it all ties together when everything is installed. I actually just watched Kevin install this as I was here mucking around with other stuff, and yeah, there's Dirty Harry. Another, we were counting, you've done probably about 35 cabinet restores now, machine restores, so you're starting to tally up the numbers. All right.
Doing 4 at a time.
I know, right? Yeah, 1 at a time is not enough. So, Scott, this is Scott's machine.
Yep.
He didn't want the whole powder coating treatment on this guy, right? So, this is the original rails and brand new coin door.
Yep.
How did installing these gun handles go? Because it looks great. Was it a
They didn't quite fit, so I had to modify them a little bit. But
idea? Let's throw this on too and have a look. Oh, I didn't actually play a ball of Dirty Harry. I probably should do that. Where are you, ball? Oh, looks like it found itself. But yeah, new decals, art blades. This thing is loaded. The pen sound, all kinds of mods. You get to play with this for a couple weeks, right? Yep. Sweet. Want to get a multi-ball, get 2 billion, and then it'll be good. Oh, of course!
Best thing so far.
Yeah. One more. Okay. The Rams. My multi-ball. Hey, that's GNR. Should we do a quick little dirty?
You missed it.
What did I miss? Oh.
Naked woman.
Oh, shite, right. The match sequence. Oh. Might have to.
Amateur hour over here.
Yeah. Alright. This is the first game of Dirty Harry since you have reassembled it, right? Yep. Let's hope it works.
Make my day.
Alright. Where's my skill shot? Oh, that's not enough. But I'll take it. Went in there anyway. Just non-skillfully.
Just stole my car.
Alright, let's see if I can aim better. Nope. Oh.
Stop.
I really do. What? Ball save? Thank you.
Good job.
That from the field. Oh, alright. Done. I think I need your help.
What do you need for?
For the right flipper. Oh, you weren't quick enough. Yeah. We got one more ball. Let's do split flip on the last one.
I didn't want to ruin the camera.
Oh, well, I can edit. Okay, here's where the magic happens.
Let's go Rams.
Okay. Oh, see? Now what do we got?
I don't know, let's go for
Go
a
for
badge.
some more badges?
Yeah.
Badge.
And safe house is packed up.
Yeah. Safe house next. Boom. You know what I mean?
Oh, let's go to the warehouse.
There's something going on down at the warehouse.
Oh. Two warehouse for multiple.
Hurry.
Boom.
Look what we got here.
Bricks of C4.
We're going for the warehouse.
Okay. What's that? Is it over?
We'll stay inside.
Is there a ball for it? Oh, nice.
It's a trap.
Bank it in there, why not?
City of San Francisco does not
Okay.
pay criminals.
So did we blow our multi-ball
Yes.
already?
That was over. Alright, warehouse. The
okay.
Blinky. Throw the
Blinky.
badge. That was a quick ball.
Oh, okay. Oh. There's the nice little backhand.
It's my viewing angle is so messed up. It's so weird.
Yep. Oh.
You need to get a ball from that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's the next award.
Okay, let's...
Guess it didn't
What?
fit into my schedule.
Now what?
Badge. Go for the right
my.
rack. Now, if you can do it, hit it again, because then you're going to get the contraband.
Oh, yeah? Where? Yeah, warehouse. And safe house?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You're welcome.
Game knowledge. He knows this shit. Now let's see if we can get to the wizard mode too.
Oh, wizard mode. We gotta go for mode then.
Yeah.
Great place.
But it will see practice.
Pinball is
Not for wizard mode, right? But
ready to
working
roll.
on it. That's nice.
Ah, damn it. I didn't want to get too much on the camera.
Oh, do what you got.
Francis. Come on. Grab each trap and then try to go for that super. It's not late for the magnet.
Oh, it's not? Oh, okay. Boom!
Super
And,
jackpot.
Super's always lit?
Yeah.
Smart move.
Jackpot is everyone is a relight on the warehouse.
Whoa, that's fire. Super!
Almost like I'm kind of good at this.
Oh, yeah! I gotta do it later. There we go. Oh, all the way. Nice.
Keep your cool.
Hey,
I'm keeping my cool.
keep our cool.
Our cool is pretty tough.
Super jackpot.
I've never done this big of a pro by myself.
I don't think I've hit a single jackpot myself. I'd like to try.
You want the right flipper?
No. I just need to stop going early on my ramp. Okay, here we go. Over under. Wow.
Alright, good time.
Whoa.
There you go.
Here we go. Early again. Oh, almost my speed. There we go. Okay, late. Hello.
Jackpot.
You gotta do the warehouse to
Oh,
relight that.
nice. Okay.
No, that shot you're really good at hitting. Do that one.
Oh.
Never mind.
Not bad. Okay, let's, we need HQ one, so orbit. Whoa.
Keep our cool.
Now don't go wasting those. You gotta ask yourself.
Shoot gun for extra ball, yeah.
You like.
Alright. Nail it. Motor.
Now don't go wasting that lit extra ball.
Oh, that would have been nice.
That usually works. And then you'd say something like smart move.
Oh, yeah?
I gotta do that. Gotta show off.
Smart move.
The call out.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Well,
We're gonna
we'll
play
take
this
that.
creeps game.
You might have to edit some of this out. It's gonna be a bit.
I know.
How's your arm doing?
Oh, you! Oops. Well, we did want to speed up the video, but we have 2 extra balls.
Here, hold on. You go. You be his second half.
Okay, here we
What the
go.
hell you want me to?
I did the
Really speed up the gameplay.
I did the heavy lifting already. You guys are doing good now.
Whatever. Yeah, let's test your gun firing abilities. Alright, let's get some modes going here and then getting kind of close to that. Okay. 2 more to go. Oh, or 2 more to go.
2 more and then start it.
Time to break in as a newcomer.
Okay. Oh, do the smart maneuver twice.
You had to hit it pretty fast to do that.
Okay.
Do I need to come
We're
back?
running out of time too. You gotta go to work. How much time do you have? Okay, we better make this quick.
Looks like I owe you one, meathead.
Alright. We're gonna hook up. Yeah. Shoot HQ. What's happening?
Oh, did he get stuck?
Where?
That used to happen. You get stuck in the gun trough.
Okay, so the ball search will pick it up?
I think so. It's broken.
We did need the video to end soon, so there it is. You broke it. Alright. Oh, there it is.
It's not. It's that. Don't bother. Just shoot itself.
Dude, we got it though. Nice.
Keep it going. Keep it going. You guys are so close.
Okay, fine. We're so close.
Check your pay, okay?
Okay, we gotta go. There's work to be done. There's clocking inning to be had. And